Okay guys, my name is Serge. This is my channel, Simply Serge, and I am going to give you the unboxing that you all deserve and that I deserve too, I think, because I actually never got to unbox this watch. Reason being is they were holding it for me inside their store and it was sitting behind a case in a little bag. So they quickly went and got it. They gave it to me and I actually walked out of the store with it on my wrist. So I was never presented with it in a box and never actually saw it being unboxed. So I'm gonna put it back in the box. I already did that, and I'm gonna open it up for the first time as if it was my first time. So here it goes, the unboxing. This is how it came. This nice green bag. It's had this Rolex logo on it on the bottom. It's quite obvious when I was leaving the store with it on. And I didn't want to walk with this bag downtown on the train and everything, so I actually put it back into my laptop bag. I picked myself up a free couple books there. There's a Rolex book and AP while I was at it, because why not? There's the box. It's got Rolex on the inside. Pretty nice. This is all that counts, really. Box and papers. What you'll notice is actually this is like pure white, and this cardboard box is sort of like that eggshell color with a little bit of texture. I'm not sure if you can see that crown on there too. Pretty nice. Actually gonna bring you closer. Okay, here it is, guys. Still on with its crown. I'm just gonna take that off. There's the papers. There's the warranty. You can see it in there. So smooth. Take it off the pillow. And there's the Rolex, the Submariner. Make it a little bit tighter. What do you guys think? Can you guys see me? I'm slowly going to take those stickers off the watch. I've already taken the clasp, the main sticker on the clasp and the sides. There's still stickers on the crown there. My sales advisor said there are so many stickers on this watch. She was glad I didn't ask for her to take them off. So I think I'm actually going to take a sticker off for you guys in a place that's been sort of bothering me. But yeah, there it is. My first unboxing. And I'm going to take the stickers off. So you see this small area here where this locking mechanism slides over. Well, it's not very smooth when it closes and opens because there's a sticker in here. I'm gonna peel that off while we're here. You see that? There. So much better. These stickers were so nicely applied here too. Like, they were just able to squeeze them in the most smallest, awkwardest crevices behind like the locking mechanism, the clasp, the links. They're just everywhere, which is a good thing. Oh yeah, and the all-important bezel. It's so smooth, and just the metal around the bezel is so sharp, like it really grips onto your fingers. Okay, I hope you guys like that. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm gonna try and do a series of some sort and take you along this journey with me with this watch. So if you want to see how it holds up, what it looks like after a year, after a few months, scratches, personal stories, what people think of it. I've already had a few comments about it, and not all were that great. You know, I knew coming into this watch that there are going to be some negative stereotypes and probably a lot more than positive ones. So I can share those with you guys, and I hope you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching again. We'll see you in the next video.